All right, guys. So it's the next day. We're done with the IKEA for the first trip. um, it's the next day. It's the morning right now, and the furnitures are here. The furnitures are here. It's getting delivered. So I'm excited to put it and see how it goes. We got the first thing. So yeah, man. So we're gonna see how it goes. And the furnitures will be in this room in one, two, three, and four. All right, we guys, we got everything, and yeah, they're working on it, and I'm helping a little bit, but right now I'm filming. Um, so it's actually a neat service. It's they put it together for you on delivery, or help you put it together. Um, Well, of course they get charged for it, but since it's like three, four furnitures at the same time, like on big furniture, bed and office gaming desk, and other stuff. So I was like, yeah, why not? Let's do it. So yeah, we're on it. We'll be done shortly, and you guys are gonna see the full furniture and setup in one, two, and three.
Next day.
So it's the next day. We came back again to IKEA. I still have some stuff to get, and one of the things I got right now, um, is the couch, but not in this color. Don't be fooled. I'll show you the color right now if you follow me. The one we got is that one. I think will go very good with the room since it's like grayish color between white and black. So yeah, and we'll now go to another spot and get some other stuff. Let's go. Alright, y'all. So the next thing we're getting is these ones, these shelves. I like them. I think they will go good with the room. You got the sliding doors, the shelves, the hanging back. So yeah, we're getting this next thing. Let's go get either a mirror and curtains. So let's go. This is the last item we're getting for right now. It's the mirror. So yeah, we'll get it. Let's go pay, and then we'll see you guys at home setting up all the stuff. Let's go. Alright guys, we got the second set of furnitures. We have a couch that going over there, and some shelves going up here, and this shelf also going over here. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll see how it turns out. The guys are working hard over here. I'll try to help them if they let me. But yeah, stay tuned. Let's check it out. Hopefully it will turn really good.
All right, guys. So far, this is what I have done to the room. Um, Gaming slash office desk, the shelves on top, the bed, nightstand, couch, resting area, and whatnot. And this is the closet. And as you can see from the mess, which forgive me guys, I'm still putting things away. I'm still organizing. We still have things to do in the room, and it's gonna be in the next videos. We're gonna get a TV, a curtain, some probably shelves over here, probably a mirror and whatnot. So yeah, stay tuned for these videos. And a little teaser, we got other videos coming in, and hopefully you guys. So yeah, I'm liking the process over here for the room and the progress we got. So let me know guys what you think so far. You like it, you not, what things to add, you have preference, let me know. I mean, I'm open to ideas. That's so far what I have. There's still things I can do and put in and have some surprises for you guys. You might like them. So yeah, enjoy the videos. I mean, it's fun, just enjoy them.